did. I put that memory there.
Hi there, Fiona.
Oh, hello, Caleb.
Hi, you left it at the Camel Academy.
That's it. Thank you, Caleb. I'll go and get it now. Thank you.
I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. I'm on my way from misery to happiness today.
Oh no, not the talking donkey. Donkeys look so funny with those big teeth and those big ears. I bet they give up easily.
Don't mess with me, Caleb. I'm a donkey on the edge.
The talking donkey sure looks funny, doesn't he, everybody?
Yeah.
That was a bit hopeless. The talking donkey does look funny, doesn't he, everybody?
Yes.
Much better.
It's not what you look like that makes you special. Donkeys are special because God made us.
That's true, but I bet donkeys have never done anything amazing, anything that needed resilience.
You can't be rooted there, Caleb. Don't you know a donkey carried Mary all the way to Bethlehem?
Wow, that was nearly 90 miles. You're right, that needed resilience. I love Christmas and the Christmas story. Jesus' birth is so special. So, was that the donkey's best day?
No way. Can you believe something even greater happened? A donkey was chosen by Jesus, the King of Kings, when he entered Jerusalem.
Hey, shall we ask the talking donkey to tell us all about it?
Yes.
Good.
A donkey was ridden by Jesus. He didn't choose a horse or a mule. He rode into town on a donkey, 'cause he knew a donkey would be cool. That was the day of the donkey. How people cheered and shouted on the donkey's greatest day.
Hey, I thought they were cheering Jesus.
Okay, they were, but if the Son of God chose a donkey and had a special place for a donkey, then surely he has good plans for everyone,
Well,
even cows.
Sorry. Well, that's certainly true. God has good plans for camels, and he chose to make us more intelligent than donkeys. You ready? Here we go. Camels are cooler than donkeys. Hey, donkey, don't you think that's true?
Yeah, camels will bite you and spit on you and smite you. Every one of them is bad, except you.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Donkeys smell better than camels. Caleb, don't you think I'm right?
That's once again true for all except you.
You got me. Let's no longer fight.
You're right.
At last we have seen the